today I'm reviewing the Etude Sunprise Mild Airy Finish Sun Milk. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbu.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so I hear great things about this sunscreen all the time, so I finally had to buy it and try it. So, I've tested it now. I've got a lot of thoughts on it. And a lot of hopes and dreams that I had for it, but a lot of them were shattered. So, okay. So they call us a non-sticky UV milk that provides long-lasting UV protection with 100% mineral-based mild ingredients for sensitive skin. Keep that in mind. Sensitive skin they're marketing this towards. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. I like the packaging. I like the color of the bottle. It's pretty. That's about it. No issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, denatured alcohol is the fourth ingredient, which some people like in sunscreens. You can help combat any negative drying effects from it by using a good moisturizer underneath, using a good moisturizer in your nighttime routine, but some people will be sensitive just to the alcohol because it is drying for a lot of people. In terms of the fragrance, this is, for me, the biggest downfall of this product, is the very strong, noticeable floral scent. It has bergamot oil, lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, lime oil, and orange peel oil. It's a lot of fragrant oils. It doesn't dissipate. It sticks around all day. It is far too strong scented for me to use this on a regular basis. And I have a note. It also made Lincoln sneeze. Lincoln sneezed with this one, and there was another sunscreen that made him sneeze as well. He doesn't sneeze. He likes fragrance, so he did not like the fragrance of this one. So it's very strong. Just took a long time to dissipate. In terms of the manufacturing location, this one is made in Korea. Etude House does manufacture their own sunscreens, which means they are not able to fit into this loophole as well. However, Korea has some serious sunscreen issues, and until those are fixed, we need to be very cautious with what we use. And generally, with any sunscreen, we need to be cautious. So until this loophole is fixed, you really need to do your due diligence. Okay, in terms of the SPF, this advertises SPF50 protection. Based on the filters, I'm guessing it's probably right around there. In terms of the UVA protection, this one is a PA with 3 pluses, which indicates average to okay UVA protection. Not the highest protection out there, but probably average. In terms of the filters used in this one, we have UVB UVA ray reflector, zinc oxide, offers really nice sun protection, very effective filter. Then for UVB and UVA ray 2, we've got titanium dioxide, which is another ray reflector, blocker, does a decent job as well. In terms of the white cast with this one, let me give it a good shake. You need to shake it up before you apply it, so don't forget that. So, and you also have to remember to apply it liberally, and this fragrance, I guarantee, will linger on my hand for the next 3 days. So it is not as bad of a white cast as a lot of mineral sunscreens, but it still has a light white cast. Once it absorbs, it's not quite as noticeable, but it is still there. So if you have a deeper skin tone, keep that in mind. My hand is already on fire now. I don't know if it's just all that fragrance or alcohol or what, but yeah, so it's not terrible, but still deeper skin tones will notice it. In terms of the texture, it's got a nice liquid texture. Once it soaks in, it sets to a pretty natural finish. It doesn't look radiant, and it doesn't look matte. It looks pretty natural, and it is not sticky, which is nice. A lot of sunscreens can be really sticky, which isn't the most enjoyable thing, and this one is not. So for reapplication of this one, it depends. If you have foundation on, reapplication, this one is not fun. If you just use this and went out and are just reapplying it over itself, it's fine. So if you wear makeup, not easy to reapply. If you don't, reapplication, this one isn't terrible. So in terms of application, ease of use, I didn't have really any issues with it pilling. It plays well under foundations. It works well over other moisturizers. It's really easy to use, enjoyable to apply, and nice that it plays well with other products. But come back to that stupid scent, which if you don't have sensitive skin, then it's no issue. So Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients for this one, so we've got aloe juice, which is skin soothing and hydrating. We've got purslane, which is also skin soothing and an antioxidant. We've got Centella Asiatica, skin soothing ingredient, hydrating antioxidant. We've got mistletoe extract, a good skin soothing ingredient. We've got Psy extract, a good skin conditioning ingredient. We've got kookadoo plum, which is a good antioxidant and skin brightening ingredient. We've got boab oil, which is a really nourishing emollient ingredient. Hyaluronic acid, it has to be in everything. It's a humectant. Sunflower seed oil, which is an emollient. And then Cardiospermum halacambamba flower extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient that I will practice before I talk about it in the next video or in the next time it's brought up. Okay, in terms of acnegenic ingredients, this one's pretty friendly for acne-prone skin. We've got dimethicone stearic acid. So overall, it's pretty friendly for acne-prone skin, but it still does contain a couple ingredients to be concerned of. In terms of animal testing, I don't believe Etude House is cruelty-free. So if you have more info, leave a comment. In terms of performance, so this did a good job protecting my skin from reddening, tanning, freckling. I will say by the end of the day, and sometimes even earlier on certain days, my skin felt a little bit irritated. It felt dry. It felt sensitized, probably from a lot of those citrus oils. And then during my evening routine, my skin would sting a bit. And to be honest, it gave me a bit of a headache. It did sting my eyes a little bit, but that was probably from the fragrance. So if you're not sensitive to fragrance, that's not a huge concern. But overall, it did a decent job protecting skin from sun damage, which is the point. So fragrance is unfortunate, but it's not the end-all be-all. In terms of price, so this is a full size, which is 1.8 ounces, 55 milliliters. It retails for $13, which makes it very affordable, which is great. So with a 15 being a perfect score, I give this one a 9. That fragrance, I think, would have done a 180 on this review, but for me, I couldn't get over it. But if you're not sensitive to it, I think it's worth a try. So anyway, those are my thoughts on the Sunprise. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this out. I bet a lot of you have. So leave your thoughts and comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more later. Thank you so much, guys.